Hey everyone, I'm Brandon Pereira, and I'm going to go through a rundown on my bike today.
Alright, so this is my bike. We're going to start from the top and work our way back. So at the top, right now I'm running Addict grips. They're really thick. I'm not sure if I like them, but they're real super soft. That's what I like. My bar ends are Kink bar ends in blue. The bars I'm running are Mutiny Glamroids. They were 30, I cut them down to 29 wide, and they have an 8.5 rise. My stem is a Shadow Ravager stem. The headset I'm running is a Sunday headset in blue. My fork is a Fit Blade 2 fork. It's pretty nice. Got a couple stickers on it. My front wheels right now is a Profile Mini hub in blue, laced up to a Primo balance rim. The tire is a 2.4 Odyssey Chase Hawk tire. And my peg is a bonedeth peg. And I'm running 2 hub guards. Sometimes I run 3 pegs. I want to run 4 soon, but yeah, right now I'm just running 2. Alright, my frame is a 2013 subrosa novus frame. It's with the ovalized down tube, and it's got a 21-inch top tube. It also has an integrated seat post clamp, and it's a mid-bottom bracket. Alright, my seat is a shadow seat, just one-piece seat and seat post. Going down to my bottom bracket, it is a stolen bottom bracket with just some blue caps that came with it. My cranks are premium cranks, premium spline drive cranks, so they don't have the bosses to attach to the sprocket. The sprocket is just a sprocket that came with the cranks, spline drive. And my pedals are premium slim PC pedals. And I have one side of them colored blue, so I know which side to stand on, so I don't wear out both sides. I stand on the black side. My chain is a KMC Kool chain, I think it's called. It's just really beefy. And now to my back wheel. It's another Profile Mini, laced to another Primo rim with a hub guard, and another bonedeth peg, and another Chase Hawk tire, but this one is 2.2 rather than 2.4. And I got a Woodward sticker on my bike and a couple shadow stickers. So yeah, that's my bike setup, and I'll include a couple kicker clips out front of my house. So thanks for watching and enjoy the clips.